Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to share your Netflix account with your friends. It's a really easy process and I'll guide you through it step by step. Before we begin, make sure that you have a stable internet connection and that you're logged into your account. First, open up your Netflix application. Once it loads, you'll be directed to the home page. On the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it and you'll see Profile and More and Manage Profiles options. Tap on Manage Profiles. On the next page, you'll see your existing profile and an option to add profile. Tap on it to create a new profile for your friend. Give it a name, or just type in the name of your friend that you want to share your Netflix account with. Right on top, you'll see the option to change the profile picture by tapping on the pencil icon. Select any character that you like, and then tap on Save in the top right corner. Your friend's profile has now been created, and they can join Netflix using your account. And that's it! You've successfully shared your Netflix account with your friend. If you're new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support.